Hello everybody. Today we will show you how you all can add this kind of realistic, crispy, sharp beard on any image. So at first open Adobe Photoshop application. Pick your image. Create a transparent new layer from here. Then select Brush Tool. Select the size of brush according to your image. Keep hardness, opacity, and flow 100%. Then draw like me, as beard. Change the brush size as needed. To get good results, try to draw with as much time as possible. I think it's okay for this image. Make sure that uniform is selected. Go to Filter again. After that, go to Blur. Keep the amount 8 to 10. Blur method zoom. And quality good. Double-click here. Double-click here also. Now select full black color. Double-click here also. Select a grayish color now. You can use mine. Note the color code. The code of the color is 636563. Select hard light from blending option. Reduce the opacity to match the beard with the image's face properly. Reduce the amount of fill also. Now go Eraser tool, then erase unwanted area carefully. Export your file at PNG format for better resolution. And that's all. This is how we can add beard. But if you don't satisfied with the result, then continue the video. I can assure you that the upcoming result will surprise you. Transfer the image to your phone via data cable, Bluetooth, or any kind of data transfer way, whichever seems easier for you. Go to Play Store. Then search an application named as Remini. Install the application. After installation, open it. Press the cross icon if you don't want to purchase any plan. Then select the image, which one you edited on Photoshop. Press on Enhance. This app is so popular that millions of users are active on this app all the time, so sometimes such error may appear. So don't worry, just click on this option of OK, got it, then try again in the similar way. Boom! See the magic? What a super-duper crispy, sharp beard has been made. It's not possible for anyone to guess that. This is an edited and AI-modified picture. See the sharpness. And also notice the angle of every single piece of beard. I know that nowadays, for doing such work, there are many AI websites on internet. But why I don't use them? And why I use Remini? Because I use all of them. Among them, none of the websites can give such perfect results. That's why I use it. Now you can compare the final output. So don't waste more time. Subscribe now our YouTube channel for an endless stream of captivating content.